Hello everyone. For today's video, we're going to cover question 49 from LeetCode, and I'm just following the Neetcode roadmap. So today we'll be covering group anagrams. There's a similar question to just, recognizing anagrams, and I believe we've already covered that, and if not, we definitely will. Now, just for some context, an anagram is a word that is made up of the same letters as another one. And so here we have tan. Well, maybe just writing it out myself is better. So we have a word T, and the word eight, is an anagram of T because it has the same letter by letter makeup. Now you could try this instinctively by checking for the length of a word and maybe adding each letter into a hash map, and then checking if the letters in the hash map are the same as your current word. And I explain that verbally because you can imagine having to do that and then iterate to the next word and then get rid of the old values in that hash map. It overcomplicates the problem. And so we can still use a hash map here, but just in a different context. So what we're going to do is run a case example. So let's say we have the same two words. How do we compare these two? Generally, the easiest way could be to just sort them. So if we sort both of them, after sorting, we'll get the same word. Checking these to make sure that they're the same is great. Now, this is really helpful in the list of words because so long, and assume we have another word, eat, if we have a singular key in our list, which is the sorted word, we can just append all of the words into that associated key so that all words that are sorted to be the same as the key are in that key's list. And yeah, this way you don't have to worry about, deleting entries in a hash map. The only worry would be like, how do we actually sort this? And we're going to cover that when we get to coding. But for context, if we need to sort the word eat, we need to basically, have some understanding or use a function. We're going to use a function, but we also need to reorganize this. And so we need to join basically these letters, in the alphabetical order. And so we'll have a method of doing that right now. Okay, awesome. So let's get into coding this. Now, like we said, we need a hash map. So I'll define a hash map called results. Go visualize hash map. And for this results, we are going to use a default dictionary made up of lists. Now we need to iterate through our list. And for the words in our strings list, we need to now sort the words. Sort word. Okay, so we can create a variable, sorted word, and utilizing this join functionality, which will essentially split up without, characters in between. That's what this these empty single quote marks are for, single apostrophes are for. We can join the letters via sorting the word that we're currently at. Now we need to append the sorted word to hash map so that we can check this value to check later. Okay, so to do this, we have our results hash map, and at our sorted word, we want to append the current words. So this will append it at a key, which would be the sorted word. And let's maybe print what we get here, just so we can see what's going on. And this won't like it, but parentheses. Oh. What did I do again? Oh, it's because I have wrong parentheses. There we go. It should be good. There we go. Okay. So this is a good, something good to analyze as well. Now, it's not going to show us the actual hash map, but this gives us some good context into what we're doing. So we initially have our sorted word associated to our actual word. So maybe let's actually just return the results. There we go. Okay, this is much better. So for our sorted word, we have a list of the words associated to that. Same thing for these two, and the same thing for this. And now you might be asking yourself, okay, well, how do I return just these? And you can do this by casting it as a list, your return as a list, and returning just the results values. If I run this, it might want this to be a function. Oh yeah, there we go. And now I'll just get rid of this and submit this. And hopefully I can show you guys. There we go. So this beats 80% of solutions. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into what's a faster solution for this. And then we beat 50% of most solutions. So this is a very fun problem and one worth, familiarizing yourself with when it comes to utilizing HashMap. Thank you so much and have a great day.